Hello guys, I just really want to tell you something. Wetin I see this morning, na hustle me be go, but I want to go also. Because wetin God do for me this morning, na just something wey busy I no expect. You get me so? And see this media, so I use am tell some people say make dem dey exercise patience, make dem no always like dey get angry easily. You dey get me so? Because this thing so na patience na im me get, because my anger dey wan like just like push the guys away. You dey get me so? Then this morning so na as me come hustle unto say me my work since then say me my work e get as e take come dey when busy since corona start again and we come lock shop for now. I no dey go work, but now I come get where me for go dey hustle. You dey get me so? Everybody know as the hustle dey go for here. You dey get me? Then as me come this morning now, na so I just firm dey do my things. You dey get me so? Na these two boys, small guys, like let me say 18 years or 17 years, na dem be. You dey get me? Then as they come this morning so now, they come dey like one come give me 10 cents. As he give me 10 cents, now I just say now I just see like take an normal thing. You dey get me so? Then wetin come pay me now be say me wetin be come dey like vex me now. They come dey interview me. You dey get me so now? They come dey interview me, say me wetin be my name. Say I come tell them my name. Say me which country I for come. Now I just tell them my country. You know. Come dey let me know now say me wetin make me dey do this kind of work, all this kind of stuff. The thing come dey vex me. Say me wetin dey my mind now. Say me 10 cents wey una come give me now. Now I wan come see dey interview me put. You dey get me so? 10 cents wey una give me. Now I wan come dey ask me different questions. The thing come dey like dey paro me. You dey get me so? But still I can't control myself, just like they answer them, just tell them some kind of things, say me like this. There are some kind of situation where you go dey when busy, at least you must do something to get money to do some kind of things. You get me so? I can't just like they explain to them, say see. Now they say me whether they will give me, if they give me job, whether I go work. I say yes, any kind of job I'll fit. Even the same in a big clear, anything will fit say if you bring money I dey do am. You dey get me so? As long as you know be bad thing, I dey put hand. Now you come dey look me say me yes. And wetin come dey like be wan vex me now wey busy I don just tell them say make dem shift comot for where me dey. Now tell me say okay now they wan, guy just tell me say they wan give me work. Say me now say me a month dem dey pay me €400. Now me just like just smile, because me wan just like tell them say make dem shift because they dey disturb me for my no be 10 cents wey they give me now, no be dem come dey like talk all this kind of rubbish for my ear. You get me so? I wan just tell them say make dem shift, say me because they don dey distract me from my hustle. You know. Then me I come just like respect, but me come just laugh. You know. Say me they say why me dey laugh. Now I say €400. Then me I come just like see ask them say me okay how many hours? 2 hours a day? Or now tell me say no, if I come 7 o'clock I'll comot 6. The thing come like paro me. Say me these people they wetin dey worry these people? These small children. You dey get me so? Then I borrow say yes, say me like this, say me na for me to just come dey clean their compound, dey do their things, dey clean their inside their house. Yes, say me na wetin me go just dey do. The thing come dey paro me. I wan just like tell them say make dem shift. You dey get me so? Make dem shift because the thing dey vex me. Wetin dem dey talk now come dey vex me. Say me this people dey distract me. Then but me now I come just like see follow up. Now I come explain to them say me no, this kind of work me I no fit do am because even my heart strength sef see how much when e be. Now they come say me like this, say me see as the matter dey be. Now they come tell me say because me now be one me now dey vex. Say me why these small boys come just like distract me from my things. You dey get me so? Then do last wetin come happen now as dem wan come comot na dem give me this paper. So me I show una. Na dem give me this paper. See wetin dem even write, see wetin dem write for deal am. Then as me come gat to open am, say me I come say that money dey inside. You dey get me so? Then money wey dey inside so na no be say me even like money when I expect. God, you dey get me so? I no expect this kind money. You dey get me so? I will show una now. Say me like this. See money when I see inside. €500 load. €500. No be say load. €500 cash. You dey get me so? Don't be say me I no expect this money. 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then still now so they just take give me this money. Now as they just give me finish, man, they don't even like say me the thing come surprise me, tears won't come out from my eye. They tell me say like wetin they just tell me say me I should change, like say me make I change my mind, say me like this, say me this work, say me no be this work, no be work, you get me, so say me like this. The thing come just like surprise me, you know. Then this thing I mean I come dey imagine, say me God, say me this level I never really see this kind of level. The thing surprise me, tears come out from my eye, you know. Then this will just enter car, they just move like that. You know, they don't even thank you when I even say thank you. The thing come surprise me. Wetin me see, like say me wetin me come like go the reason. I say me I wish that anger when I be won't just stay like that. They say make them move, make them not disturb me. I did my ground, make them not disturb me because of that person where they give me before. I wish me use that anger just stay pursue them that time. Now this thing are for mission. You get me, so that means some people they now busy before they give you something, they must get some kind of skills where they won't comfortably try how the kind of person when you be, then get some kind of way when they want to try you. But my advice now to some people, may we just know how to see they respond to some people, no matter how they take come, but respond to them well, because we don't know as the end they won't be. You get me, so then even yesterday, so me promise person, I just like before I come out this morning, it's good to still give out. You get me, so you get one guy when they play guitar for my timeline, I just come like and just promise and just write am for there, say me for this guitar when they play, so for this music when they play, so for this song when they give us, so for on live video for Facebook, I even share them for Facebook, say me I don't spray you 10k, you know, because the guy in Nigeria there, I don't spray you 10k before I come out. Now I first go one side go do that 10k for him. Now whether or not this blessing will fall upon me, I don't know, my guy. I am really so excited. This thing shocked me this morning. I don't expect this kind of thing. I never seen it before. 500 euro loads, don't be say like this. 500 euro cash. You get me, so 500 euro cash, no be buy, say me this thing. I never see am. Wetin you just write say me deal tiano. Wetin that thing mean, say me God loves you, you know. I'm really so shocked this morning. Now me I dey go house because no need of say me come dey stress myself again. 1 week now your day house, you know, because at least I feel can't kill myself, brother, you know. This thing shocked me. I pray say me pocket when those guys for bring this money, it no go run dry, you know. They don't even reach 20 years. These small guys, small boys when they tell, they don't reach 20 years, you know. I just like so excited. I just like me, I dey confused this morning. This thing, he like I never seen it before, my brothers, you know. Just say me I still use this opportunity, still let I don't bring this kind of thing come online, all those kind of stuff. But it shocked me to still let people know, say me we dey control our anger, and we mind the way we take respond to some people, because sometimes some people when won't help you, they feel you one or two skills come, you get me, so come tempt you how you won't react, how your reaction be. I bet more they control our anger and some kind of things when we do, and we still learn how to give out. Whether not the 10k when I give out to one stranger, I don't know that kind, I don't know that person, I don't know where, but me no say I do stage for come, because now being musician it be if they play online when I just promise I go do am for them this morning. More we know how to still give out, you know. I thank now just say make I see drop this one.